Here's a mind-blowing fact about dogs. Did you know their noses are so powerful they can sniff out diseases? Dogs have up to 300 million scent receptors, compared to our mere 5 million. They've been trained to detect life-threatening conditions like cancer, diabetes, and even COVID-19 just by smelling someone's breath or sweat. Their noses are literal lifesavers. So next time your furry friend is acting extra curious about you, maybe they're trying to tell you something important.